Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide activity details on Strava. So I'm starting here by opening my Strava application on my phone. Once it's fully loaded and I'm on the main screen, I'm heading down to the bottom navigation bar where I can see several different tabs. From there, I'm clicking on New. That's the tab that takes me to my profile and personal settings. Now that I'm on my profile page, I'm looking up at the top right corner where I can see a gear icon. That's the settings icon, and I'm clicking on it right now to open up all my account settings. This is where I can adjust everything related to my profile, privacy, and how my activities appear to other users. Once the settings menu opens up, I'm scrolling through the different options until I find privacy controls. This section is specifically designed to manage what information is visible to others when they look at my activities. So I'm clicking on privacy controls to get into those detailed privacy settings. Inside the privacy controls menu, I'm now looking for an option called hidden details. This is the feature that lets me control which specific parts of my activity data are shown or hidden from other Strava users. So I'm clicking on hidden details to access those options. And now I'm on the screen where I can see all the different activity details that can be hidden. Right here, I can see several options listed out, including start time, pace/speed, calories, power, and heart rate. Each of these represents a different piece of data that Strava normally displays when someone views my activities. This gives me full control over what level of detail I want to share publicly. At this point, I'm simply going through each option and clicking the toggle button beside the details I want to hide. So if I don't want people to see when I started my workout, I'll toggle start time. If I want to keep my speed private, I'll toggle pace/speed. The same goes for calories, power, and heart rate. I'm just clicking each toggle based on what I personally want to keep private. Each time I toggle something on, that specific detail will no longer be visible to other users when they look at my activities. And that's it. I've now customized which activity details are hidden on Strava, giving me control over my privacy while still sharing my workouts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.